Hello everyone and welcome back again to Military TV. Engaging in island, hopping warfare within the South China Sea, conducting high-speed air, sea, and land operations along the Chinese coastline, or contemplating a full-scale amphibious assault to liberate Taiwan. All constitute the spectrum of missions the U.S. Marine Corps diligently trains for. However, the evolving landscape of amphibious warfare introduces a novel array of variables and threat scenarios, attributed to advancements in longer-range sensors, precision, guided anti-armor weaponry, AI-enabled sensing and targeting systems, and the proliferation of armed unmanned platforms. Referencing the effective use of anti-armor weapons in Ukraine, the Marine Corps Force Design 2030 roadmap emphasizes the imperative for a substantial increase in unmanned systems, drones, and unmanned teaming. This vision encompasses agile, expeditionary, high-speed, lightweight platforms, multi-domain weaponry, and cutting-edge networking technologies, configuring a force that is both disaggregated and intricately networked, ensuring formidable lethality. While acknowledging the Corps' historical roots in maritime and multi-domain operations, today's rapidly evolving threat landscape demands swift adaptability across air, land, and sea with unparalleled speed and lethality. The contemporary combat environment necessitates enhancements in anti-armor weapons, hand-launched drones, high-speed amphibious platforms, and harnessing the operational capabilities of Marine Corps 5th-generation stealth air power. This raises critical questions about the relevance of heavy armor platforms, traditional weapons like howitzer artillery, tanks, armored reconnaissance vehicles, and helicopters, and the future role of the renowned Marine Air Ground Task Force, or MAGTF. The Corps' forward-thinking approach stems from factors such as the ability to engage from standoff, ranges with precision weaponry, paradigm, shifting developments in AI and autonomy, operating in dispersed formations, and leveraging advanced multi-domain transport layer, networking technology. Simultaneously, Marine Corps Force Design 2030 underscores the enduring significance of stand-in combat forces, emphasizing the capability to close in and destroy the enemy in close-quarters combat. Incorporating stand-in close-range attack and combat capability becomes paramount, recognizing the shift in requirements and tactical possibilities. Winning close in battles in today's threat environment involves deploying small, hand-launched drones, highly networked infantry, and next-generation precision anti-armor weapons. Technological advancements have reshaped the debate on heavy armor's relevance. Concerns about the weight and mobility of tanks, traditionally weighing 70 tons, have led to developments focusing on speed, deployability, and the integration of unmanned systems. Moreover, improved maritime transport capabilities, such as the ship-to-shore connector and expeditionary fast transport vessels, enhance the feasibility of deploying tanks in amphibious warfare. Recognizing these changes, the Marine Corps is exploring new capabilities such as island, hopping capable amphibious assault ships and land-fired variants of ship-launched missiles. The Corps acknowledges the evolving nature of amphibious warfare and the need for joint maneuver training with the Army. Despite advancements in unmanned systems and autonomy, Kaufman emphasizes the continued importance of 5th-generation stealth air support in MAGTF operations. In navigating the complexities of modern amphibious warfare, the Marine Corps is at the forefront of innovation, embracing new technologies while upholding the enduring principles of combined arms maneuver. The ongoing debate over the role of heavy armor reflects the need for a balanced approach, ensuring the core remains agile, lethal, and adaptive in the face of evolving threats. That's the end of this video. We hope you found it informative. Share your insights and opinions in the comments below. Your engagement is valued, and we look forward to catching you in the next video.